Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today's video is my craft room redo. I moved up yesterday from the basement where I had some really nice storage, but now I have to revamp what this room is going to look like. But I'm so thankful I have an entire bedroom to work with. So I'm really jazzed about this. My shelving unit that I got from Home Depot or Lowe's, one of those places, fits perfectly in this closet, and my husband put this unit in as well for shelving, and I'm pretty happy to get it all figured out. Now I have a lot of junk and I hope it all fits, and I'm wondering how much of this I'm going to end up throwing away. I have a hard time with giving things up, but as you can see, there's a lot to organize, and I've got things under my tables way low and just in bins, like just everywhere. So I'm gonna take some time and get this figured out, and we will get back to you shortly. This is in process, just a photo of in process. It's going okay. But here is what I have so far. And this is a workable space. It's not exactly like I want it, but it's how I can use it for now. So there will be probably changes and things. Those are my rolling carts, and they can go wherever I want. I don't have a desk anymore, so this table is kind of that substitute, and I've tried to organize it according to, subject thing, but we'll see how it works out in the end. And on the biggest table, I have my printer, my filming setup, my lighting, my computer, and I don't know what to do with my glues. Right now they're in this section, and my sewing machine's behind that. These are a couple more of my rolling carts, my more used supplies that I grab from all the time. And on the floor there is a bunch of bins. Oh, and I have some wall hangings too, things I'm going to put up on the walls eventually. But these walls are plaster walls, so it's hard to cut into, hard to put a nail in. But yeah, rolling cart, the other shelving unit had my books that I've made on it. There's my paper rolling cart, my Cricut, my old Cricut that still works great, and another shelving unit. And this shelf is just my favorite thing. And up above there, I've got storage. I thought I got my camera up high enough, but apparently I didn't. So all of my bins for fabric and jewelry and things are in there, and all my little junk. And again, it's not perfect. I'm still trying to figure out how to organize things. I've redid my fabric a little bit, a white bin and a colored bin just for my fabrics. And here's my shelf inside. Oh, and up high there's some wallpaper and some of my journals that are finished, and a smoke detector, thank you, just for safety. But these books were just shoved in. I don't have a rhyme or reason for these right now, except down here is my collage stuff on the bottom, and then underneath of this is just a mess. I don't know what to do with some of these things. And that's part of the organizing process. You just kind of throw things together and you get back to it later. I have a good idea of where everything kind of is. So with that, I'm just kind of going with it. So yeah, here's the overview back from my closet and my chair. I got a new office chair. It's really nice. It rolls around and it's got lumbar spine adjustment and stuff. But this is what I'm gonna work with. This is how I organize for now. And these 3 dream, believe, and imagine wall things I got at a garage sale for $2, and this is my very favorite candle right now. I like lilac, but I also love the blood orange. And my peacock feathers are from my other house, and so it's a lot of fun. I'm excited. This little thing, live simply, live, laugh often, love deeply. It's a pomander type of thing that you put in a drawer, but I put it in my window because I get quite a good breeze, so it kind of smells nice. So that's it for today, guys. Have a great day, and as always, God bless.